Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming hardware and downloads so the install won't fail. Enable Intel VTX or AMD V in BIOS. This unlocks virtualization support. Once done, download the official Windows 11 ISO and install VirtualBox or enable Hyper-V in Windows features. Now create a new VM, choose Windows 11 64-bit, and assign at least 4 GB RAM, 2 cores, and 64 GB disk. Make sure to select UEFI firmware, if available, for secure boot compatibility. You now configure virtual hardware and run the installer. This is where settings matter. Attach the ISO to the VM's optical drive and ensure UEFI boot is enabled so Windows recognizes the image. Configure storage as SATA using VDI or VHDX and enable dynamic or fixed sizing per your needs. Fixed is faster, dynamic saves space. Start the VM, follow the Windows setup screens, pick Custom Install, and create or format the virtual partition. Make sure network adapter is NAT or bridged. You finish by installing integration tools so the VM behaves like a real PC. After Windows boots, install guest editions or Hyper-V integration services to get drivers, mouse capture, and shared clipboard. Configure display scaling, enable shared folders, and run Windows Update to pull drivers. Take a snapshot when stable so you can revert changes quickly. If something goes wrong, check Secure Boot and TPM emulation settings. Verify ISO checksum and increase assigned RAM or disk. These fixes resolve most boot and activation issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.